The Helian Mini Cat LED light strip has run for another 4 hours this evening, still on the same initial charge on the battery. We're at 8 hours now and still going strong. Probably shouldn't have attempted that gravel hill earlier. I don't know if you can tell, I sort of tweaked out my do-it-yourself skid plate. Nature provided me some garage ramps to lift the car up. That'll make it a little easier to get up underneath there. It's getting kind of dark though. These lights came in super handy on this trip. Thank you. Here's how easy it is to put this thing away.